Parents and students of honors biology, real quick, what's going on this week? Let me refresh my page real quick. Hopefully, yeah. So, labs are due on Monday, tomorrow. We'll move on to chapter 9, our textbook. We're going to start reading parts of the book called The Sports Gene that is located. This is a book I just currently read, I'm currently reading to. I'm going to have the students read it. It's a pretty fascinating book about genetics, since we're talking about genetics. So, anyway, another thing that I know a lot of you guys, some of you guys, just a couple of you said you had a lot going on this week. You want to try to get the homework to you as soon as possible. What I've done is I have, go back to this. Sorry guys, bear with me. So I've kind of uploaded some stuff here. Here are the notes we're going to be doing. Notice if you look at this, the notes, there's these chapter 9 lectures and PowerPoints that's straight from the textbook. I don't know if I really like the way the textbook's set up. At the very beginning, I like the way it's set up. Then it kind of jumps around, and it really doesn't do a good job. It spends like a paragraph talking about stuff like complete dominance and complete dominance. I want to spend a little more time on. So I have some genetics notes that I've done, and there's a from back in the day when I've done it previously. So I have these notes, so we'll maybe kind of going back and forth. And this is a problem-based unit, so it's kind of like if you like math or if you like Punnett squares, you'll like this unit. Typically, it's some of my students' favorite unit they do all year, just because it's kind of pertinent to biology and it's like real-world application of what it's about. So anyway, the notes are up there. The first thing that's going to be due, I think, let's see if I have this up still. I do. I'm kind of working on this now. Exercise 1 on Moodle, so if you guys want to get a head start on that, you can start reading your textbook 919 through 94. But if you want to look where that's located at, I've uploaded that into, so you go down to here, you go to textbook worksheets, and the only one I have loaded right now is this one's basically just vocabulary. So, and then the book, The Sports Gene, is right here. There's two, I only have two right here. The first one I want you guys to start reading is Beat by an Underhanded Girl. It's about the Jenny Finch, I believe is her name, the fast pitch softball player, and it's a kind of interesting story. So the next one we'll read is The Tale of Two High Jumpers. They're not terribly long, guys, so let's see if I still have it up. But the one thing I did want to show you guys, if you don't know how to, I'll just click on it. I think if you don't know how exactly how to rotate stuff with your PDF, you may have some problems. So normally it probably may look like this on your browser. So if you have a Mac, it's really simple. It's just Command L or Command R, and that's pretty much it. So if you just go here, the tools, that's the hotkey right there. I'm sure Adobe, so you guys that have Windows, there's similar applications. I mean, it's just easy enough to scroll through like that. So the first one I want you guys to start reading is Beat by an Underhanded Girl. I want you to start with that one. I'll make an announcement on Monday, but this is kind of a differentiated unit. Students will have class time to work on stuff, and I'll teach things on certain. Okay, today I'm teaching incomplete dominance, but if you want to go ahead and try to work ahead and work those problems, you can, or you can read these sections of the textbook. I'm gonna keep posting them up. But grades are due for me on Tuesday to get those in. So it may not be as far advanced as I'd like to be right now. I like to have like the entire unit already online for you guys. For you people that want to like go through it and sit through it real fast, you can. So just kind of keep that in mind. Hopefully that helps. For ES Bio, really quick, I had the Monday assignment up. This one's really, it's kind of a fun one. So basically, this is just some kind of cool stuff I found. So watch the TED Talks, like 5 minutes. Watch this, then it's like a minute, and then just write a response to that paper. I'll upload that. I'll upload a spot for that on Moodle, hopefully tomorrow if I have time. So if you want to knock that out, you can go start writing that paper too if you really want to try to get ahead of things. That'll be due on Friday. It's for ES Bio only. So anyway, I hope that helps, and hope you guys enjoy your Sunday evening.